Hi, my name is Ati. Um, if you guys are new here, I'm just going to give you a quick rundown of what my health history's been like for the past 13 years. So I've been diagnosed with two different bone marrow disorders. I've had aplastic anemia, then I had myelodysplastic syndrome, which caused me to have to get a bone marrow transplant in 2019. Due to the lack of African American donors on the bone marrow registry, I ended up getting a half match donation from my mom. So since I didn't have a full match, I ended up getting a lot of side effects from the bone marrow transplant, which ultimately led into bronchiolitis obliterans syndrome, which is a chronic lung disease that affects your bronchioles. Or in simpler terms, basically my airways are really constricted, so the air just doesn't flow properly back and forth to my lungs. There's no cure for my disease except for a lung transplant. Within the past month or so, I've been going to like a lot of testing and appointments, doctor's offices, visits, so I can get cleared to get on the transplant list. This is going to be my third rodeo, with the health situation. And I've always been the type to never really ask for much. And I've always just tried to do the best I can, hands on my own, and be as transparent as possible. But this one is going to be a lot different, of course, because like a major surgery, but just the rehab is a lot different as well. And this time it's going to be a little bit of more of a financial burden. So, this is something I never really like to do, but I'm definitely going to have to ask this time. I'm going to have to raise some money. Everything that you guys, I'm appreciative of everything. Everything you guys send me, videos, the words, the calls, the texts, just checking on me. Hopefully this will be my last go around. But, we're just asking that you guys, if you guys can, just, if anything you can spare, I'm talking about from $1, 50 cents, whatever. I'm appreciative of all of it. It's definitely going to help me go towards, I have to pay for like the rehab facility after the surgery, transportation, medication. Eventually I have to start paying into Cobra once my short-term disability runs out with my insurance. Rent, just a lot of things that I'm gonna have to pay for this time. That wasn't necessarily as big of a burden before, but it's definitely gonna be something I have to that's gonna be weighing on me. So I definitely, I'm gonna put out a GoFundMe, and anything you guys can do to just help, I would really appreciate it. Of course, I'm going to take you guys on this journey with me. I'm going to continue to be as transparent as possible with everything I go through. And, hopefully I'll know by next month if I'm on the list. And then hopefully by the end of the year, I can hopefully get the call. So I will keep you guys posted. Thank you.